Morning, guys. 10 minutes to 7. We're up and at it. Buckeye, pickle, and blueberry are in front this morning. Then Spider and me last. We stealth camped at the bottom of Garfield Mountain just before the rise up to, let's see, what is that? Gale Head. I'm not sure if Gale Head is a mountain or if Gale Head is just the name of the hut. But anyway, you can find it on the map easy enough. It's the big rise, goes up to Gale Head. Look at this beautiful morning. Is that unbelievable or what? Just look at those mountains. It is stunning. We're on the same sort of rocky scramble that we were yesterday, coming down up and down Garfield. Now we're actually going up Gale Head, but good morning.
Good morning.
You couldn't be playing in a more beautiful setting.
Yeah. I'm digging the kilt, man.
Appreciate it.
Oh, that's awesome. I didn't even see that.
Are you on the sun?
This is the Gale Head hut. There's pickle and blueberry and Buckeye. As I mentioned, Spider went on. So this is what a hut looks like. So here's the view from South Twin Mountain. There's blueberry and pickle come out the trail. Actually, there's the summit, so we'll go up there. I'm okay, I think. Today's the 9th. Random comes on, probably doesn't get here until the 16th, morning of the 16th. So that's 7 days. Whether I'm out of New Hampshire or not, I don't know, but I will be out of the presidentials. It just depends on the weather, on my luck, and the health, all those things. But a lot of it's luck, because sometimes you can't position yourself the best way to take on the hardest summits in the morning, and they're twice as hard in the afternoon. And yesterday I went up those 4 summits like a scalded dog, even that huge climb, the first one. Man, we were really making progress. Then I hit Garfield. And Garfield in the afternoon, after the sun had been beaten down on us, and with the rock climbing and everything, it just saps your energy. But had Garfield been in the morning, like this morning, still would have sucked, but it probably would not have left the impression that it did. Okay, so I had some relatively flat open terrain after that last area. Most of it's been like this, sort of wet. You have these planks, you got the rocks, you get the mud bogs. So again, you ain't doing anywhere near 3 miles an hour. So you're not making the distance. You're not making the time. It's like this. You're just constantly stopping, starting, ups, downs, roll here, roll there. Yeah, it's the reason your 20s become 12s. It's really, now I put in the extra 3 today, so technically I will go 19 if I can survive it to the 16 to the road. But I mean, I am completely and totally bushed. And I'm not even to the campsite yet, which is like 2.5 miles short of the road. So even the campsite would have been like, let's see, 13.5 or something like that, 13.5, which is 2 miles farther than I did yesterday. And yesterday I was beat. Today it's quite a bit warmer, significantly warmer. So that is definitely drawing it out of us even more. And the uphills were just as pronounced. They weren't as many. But they were just the same, and probably worse because they were more like Garfield. Remember, we had so Liberty was a little bit of a terror, but Little Haystack, nothing. Frankly, going up to Lincoln, nothing. You know, a little bit, but nothing really. Going up to Lafayette, nothing really. So there's the shelter. Thank God. And I say thank God that the shelter's there, simply because it's the milestone for the rest of my hike. And I wish I was staying there, I really do. That would give me a 14-mile day tomorrow instead of an 11. Because we all have to go to, we don't have a choice. no matter where we go tonight, we have to stack at Lake of the Clouds in order to get over Washington the next day. You've got to have a short stint up into Washington because the weather is so unpredictable that you got to be close. Well, it's just 1.9 miles, so I reckon I'm gonna make it. I was looking for water. I want to say I hear water. There's a number of drainage areas through here. Oh yeah, here's water. So I think I'll just fill up. This looks good without a lot of tans in it. Fill up real quick and then take that 2 miles downhill. All right.